Imagine looking down from the heavens, gazing upon the turquoise expanse of the Coral Sea. The view is nothing short of breathtaking, a vast, shimmering canvas of blues and greens that stretches as far as the eye can see. There, stretching for over 1,400 miles along the coast of Australia, lies a spectacle of unparalleled beauty and biodiversity, the Great Barrier Reef. This natural wonder is not just a sight to behold, but a living, breathing ecosystem that supports an incredible variety of life forms. This vast underwater wonderland, visible even from space, is the largest living structure on Earth. Its sheer size and complexity are awe-inspiring, a testament to the incredible forces of nature that have shaped it over millions of years. It is a complex mosaic of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands, each teeming with life. These reefs and islands form a delicate and intricate network, providing shelter and sustenance to countless marine species. The Great Barrier Reef is a testament to the power of nature, a vibrant tapestry woven together over millennia. Its corals, in a dazzling array of colours and shapes, create a mesmerising underwater landscape that is both beautiful and vital to the health of our oceans. The sheer scale of the reef is humbling. It spans an area larger than many countries, a sprawling underwater metropolis that is home to an astonishing diversity of life. It is home to an astounding array of marine species, a dazzling spectacle of colours, shapes and sizes. From the tiniest of fish to the largest of sea creatures, the reef is a bustling hub of activity, a vibrant community where every organism plays a crucial role. From microscopic plankton to majestic whales, the reef pulsates with life, a vibrant underwater metropolis unlike any other on Earth. The interplay of these diverse species creates a dynamic and ever-changing environment, a true marvel of the natural world. It is a precious jewel, a global treasure that deserves our utmost care and protection. The Great Barrier Reef is not just a natural wonder, it is a vital part of our planet's ecosystem, a source of inspiration and wonder for generations to come. We must do everything in our power to preserve this incredible underwater paradise for future generations. The building blocks of this underwater marvel are tiny creatures called coral polyps. These soft-bodied animals related to jellyfish and anemones are the architects of the reef. They secrete calcium carbonate, forming hard, protective skeletons around their bodies. Over time, these skeletons grow and accumulate, creating the intricate structures we recognize as coral. Each coral colony is formed by thousands or even millions of these tiny creatures. They live together in a symbiotic relationship with microscopic algae called zooxanthellae. These algae reside within the coral tissues, providing them with food through photosynthesis. In return, the coral provides the algae with a safe haven and the compounds they need for survival. This mutually beneficial partnership is the foundation of the entire reef ecosystem. The Great Barrier Reef is a bustling metropolis home to an astonishing diversity of life. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers, it is the largest coral reef system in the world, a vibrant underwater city teeming with activity. Reef fish, adorned in a dazzling array of colors and patterns, dart in and out of the coral, seeking food and shelter. These fish are not just beautiful, they play essential roles in the reef's ecosystem, from grazing on algae to serving as prey for larger predators. Clownfish, made famous by the film Finding Nemo, live among the stinging tentacles of anemones, protected by a special mucus coating that makes them immune to the anemone's venom. This symbiotic relationship benefits both species, as the clownfish gain protection, while the anemones receive cleaning and nutrients from the fish. Manta rays, with their graceful wingspans, glide effortlessly through the water, filtering plankton with their specialized gill plates. These majestic creatures can grow up to 7 meters wide, and their gentle, fluid movements are a mesmerizing sight to behold. Sea turtles, ancient mariners, graze on seagrass beds and sponges, playing a vital role in maintaining the health of the reef. By keeping the seagrass beds trimmed, they prevent overgrowth that can smother the coral, ensuring the reef's continued vitality. And then there are the whale sharks, the gentle giants of the ocean, drawn to the reef to feast on the abundant plankton. These enormous creatures, which can reach lengths of up to 12 meters, are a testament to the reef's ability to support life on a grand scale. Each species, from the smallest invertebrate to the largest predator, plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this complex ecosystem. The intricate web of life here is a testament to the interconnectedness of nature, where every organism, no matter how small, contributes to the overall health and stability of the reef. Sadly, this underwater paradise is facing unprecedented challenges. The once thriving ecosystem, teeming with life and vibrant colors, is now under severe threat from various environmental stresses. Climate change, driven by human activities, poses the greatest threat to the Great Barrier Reef. The increase in global temperatures has led to warmer ocean waters, which have a direct impact on the health of the coral reefs. Rising ocean temperatures stress the coral, causing them to expel the symbiotic algae that give them their vibrant colors and provide them with food. Without these algae, the corals lose their color and their primary source of nutrition. This process, known as coral bleaching, leaves the coral vulnerable and can ultimately lead to their death. Bleached corals are more susceptible to disease and have a reduced ability to reproduce. Human activities such as pollution from agricultural runoff and coastal development also take their toll on the reef. Chemicals and sediments from these sources can smother the coral and block sunlight, which is essential for their survival. Overfishing disrupts the delicate balance of the ecosystem, removing key species that play crucial roles in maintaining the health of the reef. This imbalance can lead to the overgrowth of algae, which competes with coral for space and resources. Destructive fishing practices like bottom trawling can cause irreparable damage to the coral structures. These methods not only destroy the physical structure of the reef, but also the habitats of countless marine species. The reef is a resilient ecosystem, but its ability to recover from these multiple stresses is being severely tested. Conservation efforts and sustainable practices are crucial to give the reef a fighting chance to survive and thrive for future generations. The Great Barrier Reef is a complex web of interconnected life where every species plays a vital role. The symbiotic relationship between coral polyps and zooxanthellae is just one example of the intricate relationships that define this ecosystem. Herbivorous fish, such as parrotfish and surgeonfish, graze on algae, preventing them from overgrowing and smothering the coral. Predators, such as sharks and groupers, help to keep populations of prey species in check, preventing them from overgrazing on coral or other essential reef organisms. Even the smallest creatures, like sea cucumbers and worms, play a vital role in breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients, maintaining the health and productivity of the entire ecosystem. Despite the challenges, there is hope for the Great Barrier Reef. Scientists, conservationists and local communities are working tirelessly to protect and restore this natural wonder. Innovative projects such as coral gardening and larval propagation are helping to restore damaged reefs and enhance their resilience to climate change. Ecotourism, when conducted responsibly, can play a vital role in raising awareness about the importance of reef conservation and generating revenue that can be reinvested in protection efforts. Educating future generations about the wonders of the reef and the threats it faces is crucial to ensuring its long-term survival. The future of the Great Barrier Reef, and indeed all coral reefs around the world, lies in our hands. We must act now, collectively and individually, to address the root causes of climate change and reduce our impact on the planet. Simple actions, such as reducing our carbon footprint, making sustainable seafood choices, and supporting organizations involved in reef conservation, can make a difference. The Great Barrier Reef is a global treasure, a symbol of the beauty and fragility of our natural world. Let us be inspired by its resilience and work together to ensure that this underwater wonderland continues to thrive for generations to come. The time for action is now. The future of the reef and our own depends on it.